Right boys, this is Raf from my lock picking world. This is a Keso 2000, basically good lock. I think it's made in Italy, which have 3 rows of dimple pins, 5 here, supposed to be 4 in here and another 5 in here. I'm using this key to open the lock with the foil. So what I've discovered with this Keso, that I start with one piece of foil over the key, and if that won't work, I'm adding an extra piece of foil to open the lock. See that? Right over here, just making it smooth. Could do a better job, but anyway, using this impressioning clamp and insert into the lock. And do what we usually do when we impression the lock. So first go, it didn't work, so as you can see I've got the marks over here, so I'm going to add an extra piece of foil now. And if that won't work, I'm going to add another piece of foil. And since the key is very small, there'll be no problem whatsoever doing that. See? Extra bit of foil in here. Insert into the lock. See that? You hear those clicks, those pins are trying to bind. So the third piece of foil now, which is not glued, will be over the top. Now there's 3, since the key is smaller, there's some pins that you cannot reach. Over that, let's jiggle that inside the lock. Bit of an extra force in here. And here we go. Now, basically, this lock I've done a few impressioning on, so that's why it took so much time now. So I started with one, went into the 3 pieces of foil now, and just I'd done that on 6 different Keso lock, which all worked within seconds. That was the first time I had troubles with opening that lock. So hear that? So if I take it out, there's this piece of foil in here, as you can see the markings over here, the markings on both sides, and this is the Keso 2000 dimple impression key. Thank you very much.